How to make working checkboxes in Excel. First, right-click the ribbon and Customize. Check Developer and press OK. Go to the Developer tab, Insert, and then Checkbox. Drag that into your cell, and I'm going to get rid of the text. You can right-click and edit text. And now we can see that it's working, but it's not giving me a true or false value that I could use in a function. So go to Format Control, and then link this to the cell underneath it. Press Enter, and then press OK. Now we can see that it has a value underneath, and when I check and uncheck, it changes to true and false. But we don't want to see the true and false, so press Ctrl 1 to bring up your formatting and change this to 3 semicolons, and then press OK. And now we don't see any text, just the checkbox, but you can see that the true or false is still there if you look in the formula bar. Now we can drag this in the middle of the cell and then drag this down, and now you have checkboxes.